How to get your first client on Upwork, Real Tips for Beginners, 2025. Are you new on Upwork? You've set up your profile, maybe even sent a few proposals. But still no replies from clients? In this video, I'll give you 5 solid tips that can help you land your first Upwork client, even with zero experience. Watch till the end. Real working method. Choose a niche. The first step, focus on a specific skill you already know or are learning. Don't try to do everything. Instead of saying graphic designer, say Instagram post designer using Canva. The more specific you are, the better your chances. Pick micro-niches. Use smart job filters. Don't apply to every job. Target only those jobs that have payment verified, are posted by new clients, they're more open to beginners, have a clear, fixed budget. These clients are more likely to give beginners a chance. Write short and sweet proposals. Avoid long stories in your proposals. Just cover these 3 things: show you understood the job, explain how you can solve the problem, invite them to chat. Make sure to personalize a little. I already shared a free template in my previous video, go check it out. Want the free proposal template? Comment, send template. Apply daily. Apply to at least 5 to 10 jobs every day. It might take a little time, but don't give up. Consistency is the key. People who apply daily usually land their first job sooner. Keep your first job cheap. Set a low price for your first job. This is a smart strategy. Because your goal is to earn a 5-star review, not big money. Once you get that first review, the real opportunities start rolling in. Bonus tip: once you've completed your first job and earned a review, clients will start trusting you more. You'll even start getting job invites without applying. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video and drop a comment. If you want the next video to be on what to do after getting your first client, then comment below, next step. And don't forget to subscribe to Earnify Hacks, your hub for real online earning and freelancing guides. Subscribe, comment, next step, turn on bell icon.